HighLevel has just released a brand new reselling feature. This one is big. It is a brand new SEO platform. All we have for right now is we have the support documents. So this is, if we just jump down to the introduction, it's an integrated search engine optimization solution. So it does all your SEO needs for your website. It can do it for websites, can do it for funnels, and it can do it for your WordPress sites as well. So you can use it across the board for any website on the web. So what we need to do, it is a reselling feature. So we need to first turn it on. So we're going to go down here quickly to labs and right here, turn it on. Okay. Then if we go back into reselling, we're going to see that it's right here. So now we can set the price. We get it from HighLevel for $79, but we can set the price for anything we want. And all we do from there is inside the sub accounts, we need to purchase it. So if we go inside a sub account, we see this brand new feature, SEO. All we do is click on it, and now we have to activate it. And there we go in and purchase, and then it will be active in any of your sub accounts. Okay, so your clients can activate it, and you can activate it in your own sub accounts. So it's ready to roll out.